Hi there. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to talk about a topic which I have actually forgotten when I did this series on blockchain last week. So, I wanted to touch upon this aspect of interoperability for blockchain and what it means and how blockchain enables that. So, let's dive in. Let me share my slides straight away. There we go. So let's try and understand. So what is blockchain interoperability? So blockchain interoperability is the ability to share information across the blockchain system or network. So which means that every individual or every block which is there in that particular blockchain, it enables the sharing of information across those relevant people and miners and the blocks that is actually constructing the transaction and authorizing the transaction. So it allows people to see and access information across the various blockchain uh, networks. It also allows blockchain systems to communicate with one another without the help of intermediaries. So that's one of the strongest points of blockchain, that there are no intermediaries. So you can still communicate without them. So as a result, a fully decentralized system can be developed. So that's what that's one of the key juices that blockchain brings to the table when it comes to decentralized transaction without any intermediaries. So let's look at the four aspects of blockchain that enables interoperability. First, it's that immutability of transactions. So like I've mentioned before, so the cryptography of blockchain ensures that stored data can never be tampered with or played around with or edited or and it always have a distributed nature, so which keeps the timestamp intact, so you can't uh, edit or break the timestamp or change the timestamp. So that's the one of the key aspects, the first key aspect. The second is the validation. So miners validate transaction through a process of consensus. So I validate it. I ask the other miner in that same transaction whether he agrees to my validation. And if he doesn't, then I do not validate the transaction, neither does he validate the transaction. Therefore, the network ensures authenticity of the transaction, and hence a new block is created. So validation is the second key aspect of interoperability. Third is the removal of a single node of failure. So now, because this is a shared and a replicated process, there is no one final central authority for database management. So there is no regulatory bank or anyone who's actually managing a database at the back. So there is obviously no one is also mitigating any hacking or even improving on security. So it's done in a shared manner together with everybody, keeping everybody in the know. So that's the third element of of interoperability. And the fourth and the last one is the disintermediation. So which means that blockchain creates this decentralized database that synchronizes across the internet and aids seamless sharing across platforms and rightful users. So, what does that mean? That means that if I am processing a blockchain transaction, if my company is doing that, then the people who are doing the miners who are doing that, they share the same platform across those rightful users. So remember, in one of my presentations, I had taken an example of I had to pay a third party of money for certain services that he had rendered to me, and there I had to go to the auditors, my company auditors, who could be are called the miners, and they were actually sharing information across the internet seamlessly, and then they agree together to authorize the transaction, and hence I could transfer bitcoins to the third party, and the block is created, and the block can never be changed. It's immutable. So this intermediation is the fourth aspect of interoperability for blockchain. So those are the four key aspects of interoperability. So I actually, like I said, did not speak about this in the past in that series that I did on blockchain. So I thought I had to go back and then talk about it in one tutorial, and that's what I did. So that's it, guys. So as you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description below. Please connect with me. I can send this a copy of the presentation. If you subscribe to my newsletters, a link to that form will be available in the description below. I do work as a consultant with many companies and startups. So if you want to engage me as a consultant in your company, please check yes on the third field of that same subscription form, and I shall reach out to you soon. So please like this video, share this video with your friends and people who are into cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you very much, guys, and take care and have a great week ahead. Bye bye.